Okay, this is my Intech aluminum Game Boy SP carrying case. You can see it's very sturdy. It is made by Intech. We have, now it is scratched up. It's seen some wear and tear, but it still has a lot of integrity. It's not gonna, you know, break or anything. Now, this the system is scratched up as well. I'll show you that and how everything looks. Okay. First off, it comes with this, which is a screen magnifier for the Game Boy Advance. It also comes with a connector cord where you can connect two Game Boy Advance together for like Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh! Or any of those play against each other games that are out there. It also comes with a car charger. Okay. Now that kind of it comes in handy when you have, and it also, to keep this from falling. If you look up here, you have these Velcro straps that hold it up, which is really handy. Now it also comes with this, which is an aluminum, not aluminum, an FM player, so you can plug it into the Game Boy Advance and listen to the radio. Okay. By the way, it has two reservoirs to hold game systems, and each one has this really soft, spongy filling, so nothing's going to happen to them. It also comes with this. I don't know if anyone wants it, if this is a big deal or not, but this is just I guess a keychain carrier or something you can put around in it so it's holding your wrist. And I say it comes with these other four reservoirs that can hold games or accessories, and space for two Game Boy Advances. Now, the system itself is scratched. It's really badly scratched up. However, it works perfectly. I'll show you that. Um, I want to get. I don't know how much battery life I have on either one of these, but whoops. As you can see, on the inside it's perfect. Screen flawless. Inside buttons flawless. Yu-Gi-Oh! World Championship Edition. Go ahead and start. Continue. Campaign. Play against Tristan Taylor. This is 2004, by the way. One of the worst ones they made. Not a lot of cards in it. Okay, set ring of destruction. Mage power, highlight, mass, gemstone. So, as you can see, it works fine. I'm going to do one battle just to show you that there are no glitches in it. Everything sounds good. And I know it's not a good track because Tristan's the sorriest one. Now, of course, the game does not come with it. It's just so I can show you what happens, how it plays. So it plays very well. All right. That's my Game Boy Advance, and hopefully it'll be yours soon. It works great. Doesn't come with any games. Comes with this great case with all these accessories. Good luck and happy bidding, guys.